Tata Motors Q4 FY13 results are expected to be declared today, and we're expecting the JLR performance to be pretty strong as compared to what they reported in Q3 FY13. In terms of volumes, JLR is expected to report around 116,000 units, and that would be a growth of 19% Y-on-Y and 22% on a Q-on-Q basis. In terms of revenues, we are expecting around 4.8 billion pounds of revenue for JLR, which will be a growth of 15% Y-on-Y basis. And in terms of margins, we're expecting 15% EBITDA margin for JLR, and that would be expansion of 40 bips on a Y-on-Y basis and around 100 bips on a sequential basis. The main driver for this growth would be the operating leverage because of higher volumes and lower discounts that are expected in this quarter because of the higher proportion of new model sales. We're expecting a PAT of around 400 million pounds for JLR. Surprises could come from currency movements that will be a key driver for the earnings both at operating level and at the bottom line level. So that the element of surprise could come from that level. Coming to its standalone performance, the volumes were down 30% Y-on-Y basis to around 196,000 units, and the mix has changed very for the worse with a sharp fall in proportion of M&HCV volumes, and that's the reason we're expecting a revenues of 107 billion on a standalone basis. That would be a 35% Y-on-Y fall because of fall in realizations as well. OPM is for standalone entity is expected to be around 3% versus 9% Y-on-Y basis and 1.4% on Q-on-Q basis. Loss we expecting at the bottom line level, we expecting a net loss of rupees 2 billion. On a consolidated basis, the revenues are likely to be in the order of around 540 billion, while PAT is expected to be around 26 billion. As I mentioned before, the surprise could come from JLR numbers, where currency movements could be a key point. And going ahead, the JLR performance is likely to remain strong with new model launches, but margins are likely to be volatile with currency movements. And we have a market performer rating, and possibly will maintain that. Thank you.